to get some of my gray fondant. And roll it into kind of a cord shape, or a fat hot dog. Okay, so this will go on the back like so. And we'll just use a little bit of shortening to attach that there. And one here. And we can kind of dust those a little bit. So now I've got my 2 toothpicks. Insert them and insert into the side. Okay, now just keep an eye on that. Make sure it doesn't start falling on you. Ooh, I just cracked it a little because I was pushing too hard, but you can't see it, so we're cool. Okay, now we need to do our flames. So what I have here is some yellow buttercream, and I have a tip 21, just like a star tip, in a bag. I have some red liquid gel colors right here. I'm just going to pour some out right on top of this lid here. Use a brush. What I need to do is paint the inside of the bag. Like that. And I'm going to do it on 4 sides. And it's a good idea to actually put a little bit inside the tip too. It just can't hurt. Better be safe than sorry. If you really want to get into it, you can also put some orange in between the red. And then of course we're going to fill it with the yellow. But this looks good too. Kind of stir this up. Try to get some of the air bubbles out. And go ahead and fill that. Set that aside. Cut off the paper on the end. And squeeze. Instant flames.